What is the ruling with regard to recycling newspapers or pamphlets that contain the name of Almighty Allah or Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam?
The name of Almighty Allah, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the Anbiya, the angels, etc. are sanctified and should be respected. With that in mind, literature that contain this should also be respected. If the literature is no longer being used, it should be wrapped up in a cloth and buried in an isolated place. Alternatively, it should be placed in flowing water like a river or lake. Regarding recycling, the paper is generally handled by non-Muslims, thrown around, trampled upon, and torn into pieces before being recycled. Therefore, it's not permissible to simply recycle Islamic literature that contains the name of Almighty Allah. If it's not possible to bury the Islamic literature and the only option is to recycle, then the name of Almighty Allah, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the Anbiya, the angels, verses of the Noble Quran, narrations of Hadith, etc. should be erased or written over with a pen in such a way that they are no longer visible. And if this is done and the paper is handled respectably, then it would be permissible for it to be recycled. Similarly, if one resorts to burning the literature, this should only be done after the name of Almighty Allah, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the Anbiya and the angels, etc. is erased or written over.